misconceptions about past performance and future returns. Is there a quick and easy way to predict changes in trend?
I would tend to use the relative strength indicator or the index. Basically, that seems to be a leading indicator on price action, and that's sort of that's normally the first place I look to see whether a trend might be changing. The RSI falls below 50 out of 100. It can be a sign that things are starting to go head south.
Identifying market trends and assessing its strength. Why is heavy volume indicative of the strength of a trend?
Well, actually, I'm probably rather unusual in thinking that volume is not quite should not be regarded in the ultimate. In the way that other people tend to use it. People tend to think that high volume in a market confirms the change of a trend or a change of a move or momentum behind a move. I actually think that it's not quite as reliable as you might think, because it assumes that most people in the market are actually getting it right or actually know what they're doing. And in those situations, as much as anything else, they may be panicking out at the bottom or panicking in at the top. And that's obviously where the biggest volume is. The biggest volume is at the top of a market on the buy side and at the bottom of a market on the sell side. So if most short-term traders losing money, you would assume that actually the buying climax would be the top of the move, not the the bottom of the move. The simplest way of anticipating price movement is to determine the trend, which you would do via trend lines and try and fit the market or the recent price action within trend lines on both the support and resistance.